planted. If you remember the last time, you don't need to plant them too deep, just enough to cover the roots and maybe just a little bit of the bulb top, or the rhizome top. But you want to make sure that you get them in there so that they're, I guess you can say, protected as well as sturdy and steady, so that they don't fall over or pop up. And I did the same thing over there. This is the, let me come over here. Here's a miniature or dwarf butterfly bush that I rescued. And it's a Pugster amethyst butterfly bush, dwarf butterfly bush. It only gets 2 feet. But if you can see the panicles right here, they're big and curly and they have big purple flowers. So as soon as I get blooms on here, I'll come out here myself with the camera and get some pictures. We got about 2 or 3 that's getting ready to come up. But like I said, it was rescued. It was on its last legs when I bought it. And so let's go over and look at this part of the view. So I'm coming over next to you. So as you can see, it's going to be a nice little patio on the front, and then we're going to do the same thing here in the front. Can you see my finger? So we're going to do the same thing in the front and put a piece of patio and then have it come out maybe to here. So it's going to be a lot more stones. It's going to take me about 2 or 3 trips to get about 20 stones, and then it'll be about 40 over here because nobody wants to do grass. And I think that'll look really nice. And so as far as next bits, it'll be just my videos of me cleaning up this area over here, which was one of the first beds I did, my test bed. And so come on over this way. And so and let this old lady sit down. So as far as what we're going to do, so as I've been testing out and see how things are growing in this sunny area and then this sunny area over here, because these are newer beds, even though this is an old bed, but I made it a much smaller. So the things that have done well are the things that are not in full sun, because it gets incredibly hot. Don't mind the maintenance too much. There has been none this week. It rained a lot, so everything that I did accomplish is out the window. But the flowers look pretty. But yeah, so as far as testing out, I think I'm gonna put roses here. The I guess they're called the lower growing ground cover roses. So maybe ground cover roses right here, roses right here that's surrounding this bird bath. Because I think that's the only thing that's gonna do well with all this heat. My hydrangeas are sucking wind. They need a lot of water, even though we had nothing but water last week. But I know you don't have to get a picture of those poor things. And so even with all the water, but because I'm on a slope with my yard, the water just keeps running off. So things in my yard need more water. But as you know, I don't water that much on my own. I'll do it a couple times a week and that's it. And then so I think we're going to keep this smaller right here, maybe add a few more pavers on that side, and then completely do that side over there, because I'm not trying to work on no grass. I hate grass. You know, the maintenance on it and the amount of water you have to use to keep it looking green and pretty is ridiculous. So I'm not doing that. But yeah, that's it for this one. And the front bed that we did already is looking really good, and I don't have to do anything else with that. So that's it for this time. And so next time you see me, I'll be just doing maintenance and cleaning up both beds over here. So beds 2, 2, and 3. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.